Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on cex.io. When you're dealing with cryptocurrency, security is not optional, it is essential. Passwords alone are not enough to protect your account from the hackers, and that's where two-factor authentication comes in. And 2FA adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second verification code, usually from your phone, every time you log in or perform sensitive action. First, what you have to do is open any of the web browser you prefer. In the top there's an address bar, type down cex.io and enter it. And once you get into this interface of a cex.io, make sure you have already logged into account if you have not so. And what you can do is you need to go to the security settings. So simply go to your profile icon in the top right here and go to the security. And over here you'll get into this interface again of a security. Just beside it we can find there's an option for the authenticator app. Click onto this enable here beside it, and over here you need to confirm the setting. Click onto this continue here on the bottom, and simply you need to enter the code from your email. You can open to the tab and go to your gmail.com, and over here you need to check your Google and find the cex.io mail and simply copy it and go back again and type down and paste it here and click onto this next. And over here you need to scan the QR code and scan the QR code shown on the cex.io, and this links your account to the app, and the app will generate a 6-digit code. Enter this code into your cex.io, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.